Today I'm going to cook some rag pudding. It's an old traditional dish from my hometown going back to the early 19th century. It was a dish for the family and the workers of the factories. Small portions of meat in large amounts of suet pastry. Highly calorific, you could say, so it's not something that you want to eat morning, noon and night, but excellent for the huntsman, the woodsman, the bushcrafter, the camper, the outdoorsman. If you just want to come out for a day's camping, great stuff. Dead easy to cook, and that's why I'm going to cook it for you today. You could cook this just with a pan, boiling water, just a gas burner. You know, that would be absolutely fine. Very good.
Very succulent, nice, tasty. Job well done. The results.
Crystal clear. On one of the bushcraft sites, I put a little tester out to see what people thought this was, and I got some absolutely excellent comments. Some people said it was a cigar. Other people said it was, well, other things that I can't really mention, or I might get banned from YouTube, but some excellent comments, I've got to say. Very, very funny. But what it is what's called bulrush, or cattail, some of the Americans call them corn dogs. The little seeds inside, they go everywhere. What I do is I just wrap them in cling film, then store it away without it going inside my bag and all over the place. Something that I use when I take the kids out, or any groups out. Each group can have one of these. You've got to mix this with other tinder, because this will take a spark, go up like that. This wants to be transferred into the other tinder, so it just keeps the momentum in a sense. But yeah, that's what it is. Bulrush, cattail, corn dog, whatever you want to call it. Dead handy. The rag puddings. Got a little bit of gravy. Traditionally you'd have them with peas. These are the little babies. They're fairly solid as they are now. But that's just cotton cloths. Basically, put them in there, put them in the pot, put the water in. In fact, we'll do it that way. Been boiling now for a good 15 minutes actually. 15 minutes, so we're going to take one out and see how it's doing. That should be fine. We've got the mint tea coming on, and with some of the water there we're going to use it to make some gravy. As you can see there, it just folds out of the cloth really easily. What I'm going to do with this cloth now is keep that. You can reuse that, no problem. It looks very grey and it looks not that pleasing, but actually when you look inside, look at that beautiful steak. What I'm going to do now is quickly do the peas, do some gravy, and I'll show you the finished dish. So guys, I think we're done. Got a nice boil on there as far as the mint tea is concerned. Well, as you can see it. Yeah, that's looking good. So I'm going to add some water to that. The gravy and the peas are just getting to the point now where they're ready. Add a little bit of water. Oh, that mint tea's gorgeous. Look at that, it's piping hot. Oh, check out all that beautiful steak. What more can a man ask for? Look at that for a dish, guys. I can't tell you how nice this is. You're going to have to try it. Look at that. Beautiful pieces of steak there. That, my friends, is pure calories. But beautiful. If you're over in Russia, Sweden, Norway, Germany, Deutschland, Scotland, Scandinavia, Poland, Lithuania, all these cold countries, all the northern hemisphere. This food's fantastic. Obviously saved some of this for Badgie. When you make something like this, you will really appreciate it, let me tell you. It really does hit the spot, as they say. So I'll leave all the links for all the recipe and so forth in the description below. And until next time, guys, adios. Take care of yourselves and see you on the next.